Tired of complicated money transfers? Today, we're showing you the easiest way to send money from your Worldremit account directly to your mobile money wallet. First, head over to the Worldremit website or open the Worldremit app on your smartphone. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up otherwise. Tap or click sign in and enter your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard in the Send to section. Choose the country where you want to send money. Now, select mobile money as the receiving method. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details, including their full name and mobile phone number registered with their mobile money account. Make sure the name matches exactly, and double-check the phone number to avoid any delays. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Worldremit will automatically show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Choose your preferred payment method. This could be a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer, depending on your location. Review all the details carefully on the confirmation screen. This is your last chance to make sure everything is correct before you send the money. Check the recipient's name, mobile number, and the amount one last time. If everything looks good, click Send. Worldremit will process your transaction, and your recipient will receive the money directly in their mobile money account within minutes. You'll also receive a confirmation message and a transaction reference number. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from Worldremit mobile money. Enjoy the convenience of sending money directly to the people who matter most. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.